just going on here?
What's she doing? What's she doing? What's underneath there? What's underneath there? Huh? What's underneath there, pretty girl? Hi. What's that? What's that? What you think? What you think?
That's nothing.
Yeah. What's that? What you got? What you got? We're going to have you do some painting. Yeah, some painting. Isn't that exciting? Isn't that exciting? Yes. Oh boy. Oh boy, what's this? Get this. Get this. Oh. Wait.
There's nothing.
You are so aware of every little thing. I'm a wild animal, I have to be. You're hard to videotape, darling.
Nothing scary?
What? Okay, so we're painting with Rue, and we have painted the wall and the floor so far. And almost Jackie and I. Rue, what you got? What you got?
Blue tongue.
What you got? What do you have? Are you painting? Oh, it's so exciting. It's so exciting.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it.
What? What'd you do? What did you do? Are you starting to paint?
I don't
Rue,
have it.
gentle. Rue, gentle. Oh, yes. Are you painting? Oh, look at you. You are. You're painting. You're such an artistic girl. Don't destroy it. How about this one? Rue.
That bed out there.
Well, we put it there initially
to try and
so she wasn't afraid of the papers on the floor.
That's scary. That's very scary.
People see the video.
Yeah, I've already told them.
Oh, have you? Okay. We have some disclaimers.
Okay, be very gentle.
Go get her. Walk through the paint.
Wait a minute. Wait. You can't have a whole jar.
She's like, but I want.
But that's what I want, and I want what I want when I want it.
It's non-toxic. And someone's gonna have a rainbow mouth and rainbow poop. Yeah, soup in the paint. Soup in the paint. You want it?
She got it again.
Ruru. Hey. Hey.
Just keep not.
Do you want this? Do you want this? Do you want this? How are you not stepping on this?
Do you see her missing it?
You're amazing.
Is this real life? You just need to put more globs down there.
Here. Put some on this. This is what she stepped on the most over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Okay, this is like a Jackson Pollock painting here.
Oh. Oh well, if she steps in it. I promise everyone's completely washable.
Come on. Get it. What's it? Oh, no, don't just eat it. Come on. Look at her paws.
I love it.
Do you want this? Do you want it? Just like to eat it. Come over here and get it. Come over here and get. You want this?
Don't just lick it up. Don't just
Look at poop rainbows.
Come here. What's it? What's it? Come here. Everywhere but. Everywhere but. Come on. Put that paw in there. Put that paw in there. Go, yay!
It's perfect on the floor.
I know.
It's like, this is too good to be true. You want me to have all this stuff?
I know. There you go.
You say I'm no fool.
She's a good girl. Rue's a good girl. Hi, honey. Such a good girl. Got your painting shoes on.
Yeah.
She's a good girl, still painting.
Beep, 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 boopity boop, 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 boop. I think these are looking good.
Look at that. What did you make, Rue? Look at this floor.
paws.
Hey, baby girl.
Variable pose.
Come here. Want to sit? Rue. Sit. Sit.
Look at your paws.
Now, sit. Sit. Gentle. Gentle. Good girl. Good girl.
Should we just leave it and not tell the volunteers we're on stage?